Hello, my beauty friends. Welcome to Love It by Andrea. Here, you're going to find everything beauty from skincare, makeup, hair care, and some subscription boxes review. If you don't want to miss anything, please click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notifications. Okay, so today I am going to guide you through the FabFitFun process before we get our seasonal box. So before we do our customization for our seasonal box, they do open a sale, so what they call add-on to your box. Okay, so it goes through anything beauty, makeup, hair care, skincare, through furniture, and they open before for select members. Okay, so since I am a select member, I was able to choose first before all the others subscribe. And you may ask yourself what it is a select member. Select member means that you pay for the full year. Yes, so you have to pay somewhere around $180, but anyways, that is good because you have more choices. I'm sorry, you can hear kids screaming. Those are my kids with my neighbors playing outside. Okay, so you pay up front for the full year, and then you have more selections. I'm gonna show you how that works when I say more selections to your customization. And another thing is that on the add-on, you don't need to do anything. You just click there, put on your basket, and then they give you a date, and then that date is the due date until you can do modifications. You can add more products, you can delete products from your basket, and then after that they are gonna charge you, okay, on a credit card that you do have on file. Yeah, I think that's it. So sit back, relax, and watch me guiding you through my selections. So I already went through all the products here at the add-on, but I'm gonna show you guys here. So this is the add-on live, so we're gonna click here, and voila, so you see that I do have like 2 products here. But anyways, I want to show you that when you are a select member, you have this access before anyone else. So here you have until the August 5th to make any purchase or any changes to your cart. So here you can choose some bundles. So basically you do have things that they get like really cheap. So for example, here this mask, it's awesome. I'm gonna add this one because just one is $18. No, it's $9, I think. And here you get 2 for $9, so it's good. Another thing that I added was the Rhodial Vitamin C face mask. Also, you do have chances to get some of the products that were like on the past boxes for a deal. For example, on the summer box, we got one face mask from this Generation Clay. It was not this one, but it's 69% off. The Cooler, it was, I think, it was spring box that we got one, and here is like 56% off. The last time for summer, I got another one, so I still have one this. And here they do have everything, but they do have things for the house, kitchen. Sometimes they do have like electronics, accessories like jewelry. So now you have an idea how it works. So let's wait for Monday. That it is when the selections for the fall box is going to be live. So let's see if the customization is open for select members. So here it is, customized now. I'm so excited to see what is coming. So this is, they always put like a mini video tutorial showing you guys the products, and here there is also a button where you can learn more about the product. So I already do have the yoga mat. I do have plenty of scarves. And here they are priced like this scarf for $75. I personally don't think that this scarf is worth $75, you know. So let's see here. This flat iron is priced as $80, but I'm gonna select this one. And also here it has like a mystery choice that is weird for me, because like the last time it was like just on the third or fourth selection customization, let's say, or you can hit here for them to choose for you. But I'm gonna get that flat iron, and then let's go next. So here is the second one. So it comes a wallet. I don't want that wallet. And here is the lunch tote from Kate Spade. I already do have those cheese boards, so I'm gonna get these detox pads. Let's go to number 3. Here you do have a foam bubbly bar. I think I didn't pronounce it right. Some earrings. What is this? Cosmetic Pure C. This is a powder that you can add to your nighttime products. And what is this? This cleanser and scrub. So I'm gonna get this one before. And here it is. So you can have a head towel wrap. What is that? This is a grinder. Stick, eyeshadows. And what is this? This one. I will probably get this one for $7 more. Let's see here. Customization number 5. So here we do have a, what is that? Relax roller ball. Oh, I love those gold eye masks. Let me see how many comes. 6-pack. Okay, so I'm gonna get this one because I love this one, and I'm gonna add this one too. Okay. This is what I order on from my Add-On, and here are my customization. To be honest with you, this time I am not as excited for my products. I think that this one here is just like those 3. Everybody's gonna be able to customize the 1, 2, 3, and the other ones, the 4 and 5, are just like for select members. And usually we do get like 9 products. So I am guessing that this time they are gonna add like 4 more products that we don't know what they are gonna be. But so far for this fall, I am not as excited as the past seasons. I'm just like thrilled about like this eye mask here, the Wonder Beauty. But maybe this one, this body boost gel. But all the other ones, I am not that excited. Let's see if the other 3 or 4 products that comes for everybody is going to make up for those selections. Okay, so this is it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. That helps me a lot to grow my channel. If you want to leave a comment, please do so. That also helps me a lot to grow my channel. If you want to share, please share. But anyways, I am so thankful that you stopped by and you got this far on my video. So see you next time. Bye.